And I really do need a haircut. I just hate having long hair right now. Guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys an app that I've been using ever since this pandemic has started on my iPhone, and has really helped me really get through these hard times. And that app is called Broadcast. So Broadcast is an awesome app that's super simple, the app, and it is a radio, pretty much a radio app. So you get to listen to the radio, your local radio, or anywhere around the world as well. So as you know, I am a Latino from background, so I am from Mexico and El Salvador. So I've been listening to a lot of El Salvadorian radio. Um, it just because I've been like stuck inside, of course, not going out that much as well, and so just knowing what's going on around the world as well, and just listening to other types of music as well. So of course, broadcast has been helping me do that. So as you can see, of course, in my home screen here on the broadcast app, I have, of course, two local radios from where I live in Ottawa. And then, of course, the rest are just all Salvadorian Mexican radio stations right there. And so, yeah, if you're from another country, just want to know, you just want to experience something else, of course, with this lockdown thing and pandemic, then yeah, I highly recommend you guys go check out this app. It's really awesome. It's fantastic, and like I said, it uses your Wi-Fi or data if you don't have Wi-Fi, just to listen to the radio, and see what's going on, and just listening to different types of music. So I've been listening to a lot of Latino music, and yeah, it's just been really fun. Just listening to something else other than like the local news here, and just getting your mind in a different mood and everything. So yeah, I've been listening to a lot of like Scan 96.1 is a fantastic radio station if you want to really have some cool music, Latino music, and just want to dance and everything. Then I highly recommend you check out that radio station right there. So yeah, it's a simple app. You get to search, of course, like I said, for any other, depending on where you live, or if you want to listen to other music around the world, you can. And so as you can see here in Canada, one has almost pretty much every radio station around Canada right here. And so yeah, it's just a simple app that you get to search, and yeah, it's just a fantastic app, that I highly recommend if you guys want to listen to some radio. I know it's kind of old school, of course, listening to the radio mostly on your iPhone, but yeah, it's just a great distraction, and it's a fantastic way just to learn something else, and just do something different other than doing the same thing over and over, like these past few weeks and months, now that my hair is like, God, I just need a haircut right now. I don't like having my hair this long. So yeah, it's just a fun app just to relax. I've been using it to get focus, of course, while I'm working and everything, from home, and making YouTube videos while I'm editing the video and everything. I just listen to the radio here with the app, and just play it on the HomePod, and then just start listening to some great music from other parts of the world. And so yeah, it's just helping me focus and just get your mind, like I said, distracted, and it's just a great way to just stay informed. Also, if you want to listen to the news, you can, but I like listening to music as well, and just listening to other types of music, and just from a different part of the country, hearing other people's voices on the radio. It's just a great, fantastic feeling right there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys this must-have app to help you just get a little bit more productive, also help you stay a little bit maybe sane, and just have a great time, of course, listening to the radio. So that's the app, Broadcast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel, or you could like this video. And that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.